bar on the squat rack according to the height of the athlete. Bar should be resting at the height of the armpits. Stand at the bar with shoulders at a hip distance apart. Using a closed and pronated grip, pick up the bar using 2 to 4 fingers. Distance between arms should be slightly wider than shoulder width. The bar should be resting on top of the deltoids. The elbows should be flexed as well as parallel to the floor with the wrists in hyperextension. Signal the spotters to help you lift the bar off the rack and begin to step backwards away from the rack. Spotters should be moving sideways with the lifter while keeping their hands close to the bar. Start the downward phase with a straight back. Bend the knees until the thighs are parallel to the ground. Do not allow the knees to go beyond the toe line. Transition into the upward movement by engaging the leg muscles to fully extend the knees. After completion of the set, signal your spotters to help you re-rack the barbell. The prime movers of the front squat are the quadriceps and the glutes. When breathing, inhale on the downward movement and exhale on the upward movement. Some common errors would be lifting heels off of the floor, not keeping elbows parallel to the floor, locking the knees, using too much weight. The speed should be slow and controlled while maintaining an active range of motion.
Starting position. Position your body so you're standing with the barbell directly in front of you with feet shoulder width apart and under the bar. Turn feet slightly outward with body weight distributed evenly over both feet. Keep the bar close so that it nearly touches the shins. While keeping the arms and back straight, bend at the knees and grasp the bar with an alternating grip. Hands should be slightly wider than shoulder width apart. Upward movement. Pick up the barbell by extending the knees and hips while pushing your feet into the ground. When you reach the top of the lift, push your hips slightly forward and squeeze the glutes. Lastly, shrug the shoulders toward the ears slightly. Downward movement. With a slow and controlled movement, push hips back and bend the knees in order to place the barbell back on the floor into the original position. Make sure to keep the back straight. Exercise should be performed at a slow and controlled pace in order to maintain form. Deadlifts utilize an active range of motion. The prime movers in this exercise are the quadriceps and the glutes. Breathing considerations. Exhale during upward movement, inhale during downward movement.
Common errors with this exercise would be curving the back in order to lift the barbell, overextending the shoulders and the knees, or using too high of a load.